This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact cell or range to link. This is where the live data lives. Copy it with Ctrl+C or the menu, then switch to the destination sheet or file. Once there, use Edit Paste Special Paste Link or type an equal sign and click the source cell to start a formula. This creates a dynamic connection so updates propagate. Make sure you have permission to view both sheets if they are in separate files. Next, build the actual reference. For another sheet in the same workbook, type equals sheet name, A1 or click into that sheet for a separate file use import range, Spreadsheet URL, Sheet 1, A1, A10 to import ranges. Once done, authorize access when Google prompts you. Without permission, the link returns #ref. Combine import range with index or VLOOKUP to pull specific cells. Make sure ranges are locked with. To finish, lock references if needed and copy formulas across rows or columns. Use $ to fix row or column positions. Once applied, test the link by changing the source cell and verifying the target updates immediately. This confirms a successful live link. If you see #ref or hash value, reopen the source to reauthorize import range or check sharing permissions. If problems persist, recreate the link step by step and confirm sheet names and range syntax are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.